Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix our Windows 11 slow loading downloading folder. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will show a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all open a file explorer, and after doing this that click on downloading, right click, go to your properties, go to your customize, and you can select the general items, and after that click on also apply this template to all subfolders. Click on apply and OK button. Close it. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a control panel, open a control panel, click on a small icons, click on a file explorer options, click on a view, and scroll down and find out a show statistic bar. Now here is a show statistic bar. Uncheck it, click on apply and OK button and close it. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is a helper for you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.